We started off our day in Seoguipo with a nice iced coffee before we headed down to Ole Market. It was really close to our hotel and we wanted to see what we could get there. Ole Market is a very big market and it has a lot of different vendors. You have vendors who sell fruit, vegetables, meat, and a lot of fish and shellfish. It's a really cool market to visit because there's a lot of food that we don't know about, like intestines and different kind of shellfish.
Pork paw. Fermented stuff. I think they call this some sort of side dishes. So the vagina shells actually walk. They're moving. Now I feel pity.
We ended up buying some plums and really nice apples and also a Jeju Island tangerine.
I think the buns are ready as well.
Hey, yes.
We're waiting for them. Looks like seems to be bread filled with. You got 6 choices. You got black pork, bread, azuki cheese bread. Azuki I think is bean, chili sauce bread. You got black pork octopus bread, lobster bread, and cheese bread. We're gonna choose 4 of them.
After our visit to the market, we headed down to the coast to visit the Geumneung, if I pronounced that correctly, waterfalls.
On our way to Geumneung Falls. It's beautiful. Legend has it
there lived a holy dragon in the basin of the Geumneung waterfall, and in periods of drought, the locals would pray for rain at the waterfall, and it would always rain afterwards because of the holy dragon.
Because of the holy dragon. I believe in dragons.
The waterfall itself is really impressive. It's very tall, it's about 20 meters high, and it falls down really hard, so you have the mist from the water, and there are hundreds of dragonflies flying around, so it looks very magical.
Looks like a huge tangerine. Okay, from the market we got these. Look like dumplings, but it's made out of bread. There you go. Try one. I think that's one with, we got one with cheese, we got one with pork, And we got one with a bean paste and cheese. This is the one with pork. It's good, right? Huge ducks. Look at the size of this beast. We got ducks in the Netherlands as well, but they're half this size. Looks almost like a dinosaur. Oh, zou ik niet doen.
We ended up on one of the Oedolgae trails who go around the outskirts of the entire island and takes you to all the hotspots on the island.
We think this is the path to the natural pools. Little cups made out of, or little pools made out of seawater. Let's see if this is the right way. It is beautiful though. Look at this view. Well, I was wrong. We took the wrong turn. But what a mistake. Look at this. Beautiful bay. At a rocky beach. Unfortunately, the pools, the natural pools, are closed because of waves are very high. Remember yesterday we had a typhoon, so that's a no-go for today. But still, this is beautiful. Right, Tonya? Pretty, right? So this is called the Oedolgae. It's supposed to be very special, but nobody really cares here. I think also the waterfall on the side is more special than that rock. Well, it should be special because it's one pointy thing in the middle of. But
Yeah, it's on its own. It's not attached
it's on its
to
own.
anything.
It's
It just stands
it's
there.
nice. But I think the rest is more has more beauty.
The end of the trail, we ended up getting some carrot and orange juice at a very cute place where you can usually buy your swimsuit and snorkeling gear if you want to go into the natural swimming pools. After the trail, we decided to walk back to our hotel, and we did go up another trail who took us up to the forest and up to an observatory. And after that, we walked down all the way into Jeju city, and we stumbled up on a bear house / bear spa. You can actually rent a room over there, and it has a nice bubble bath, and I think you get unlimited beers. We just had one beer down in the restaurant, and it's beer crafted on Jeju Island. It was really good.
It's like a
lemonade almost.
It's almost like a lemonade beer.
Yeah. Oh, it's really nice.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel to help us grow, and we'll see you at the next one.
Hallim Mountain coming for you tomorrow.